Purpose of life explained by the Bhagavad Gita. What is the real reason for your existence? Why do you feel lost even after achieving success, relationships, and comfort? And why does a strange emptiness remain inside your heart? These are not modern questions. These are eternal questions. Thousands of years ago, on a battlefield filled with chaos, confusion, and fear, a warrior faced the same crisis you are facing today. He was overwhelmed, lost, and questioning life itself. And in that moment, Krishna gave an answer so powerful that it continues to guide millions of lives even today. In this video, we will uncover Krishna's timeless explanation of the purpose of life, and how you can apply it in your daily life. Every human being experiences a moment where they ask, "Why am I here? What should I do with my life? Is life just about earning, surviving, and dying?" You may chase success, wealth, relationships, and recognition. Yet after achieving them, the heart whispers, "This is not enough." That whisper is your soul asking for meaning. According to the Gita, confusion about life's purpose happens because we identify ourselves with temporary things, body, possessions, roles, and achievements. But Krishna begins with a shocking truth. You are not the body. You are the soul. And without understanding this, life's purpose will always remain unclear. Krishna explains that the soul is eternal, unchanging, and divine. Your body changes. Your thoughts change. Your emotions change. Your roles change. But the soul remains constant. If you believe you are only the body, your purpose becomes limited to survival and pleasure. But when you realize you are the soul, your purpose becomes spiritual growth and self-realization. Life is not an accident. Life is a journey of awakening. And this awakening begins with one realization. You are not here just to exist. You are here to evolve. Krishna teaches that the ultimate purpose of life is self-realization, understanding your true nature. Self-realization means recognizing the soul within, understanding your connection with the divine, transcending ego and illusion, living with awareness and compassion. But here is the important insight. Self-realization does not mean escaping life. It means living life with awareness. You do not abandon responsibilities. You transform your relationship with them. Before we continue, if you want to explore more deep spiritual wisdom, timeless life lessons, and powerful Gita explanations that bring clarity and peace, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone who may be feeling lost in life. Your support helps spread wisdom that can transform lives. Now let's continue. One of the most important teachings of Krishna is Dharma. Dharma is often misunderstood as religion, but it actually means your rightful duty and life path. Your Dharma is your responsibilities, your natural talents, your inner calling, your role in life. Krishna tells Arjuna that avoiding Dharma creates suffering, confusion, and guilt. But following Dharma creates peace, strength, and fulfillment. Your purpose is not to imitate others. Your purpose is to discover your unique Dharma. Krishna introduces Karma Yoga, the path of purposeful action. This teaching answers a critical question. If the purpose of life is spiritual, should we stop working? Krishna says no. The secret is not abandoning action but transforming intention. Act without attachment to results. Do your duty sincerely. Give your best effort. Release expectations. Offer actions to the divine. This transforms ordinary life into a spiritual path. Work becomes worship. Duty becomes devotion. Life becomes meaningful. Krishna explains that people feel lost because they live under illusion. 3 illusions create confusion. Ego, thinking, I am the doer. Attachment, clinging to outcomes. Comparison, measuring life against others. These illusions create anxiety, fear, and dissatisfaction. When actions are driven by ego, purpose becomes distorted. But when actions are driven by service, purpose becomes clear. Beyond self-realization and duty lies a higher purpose, loving service. Krishna teaches that the soul finds fulfillment through connection with the divine and compassionate service to others. Service dissolves ego. Love dissolves isolation. Devotion dissolves fear. When your life becomes centered around service, purpose naturally emerges. Purpose is not something you find. Purpose is something you live. Detachment is often misunderstood as indifference. But Krishna's detachment is emotional freedom. Detachment means you care deeply but are not controlled by outcomes. You work sincerely but accept results peacefully. You love fully but without fear of loss. Detachment removes anxiety and opens clarity. When the mind is free from attachment, purpose becomes visible. You may wonder, how does this apply to modern life? Krishna's teaching is timeless. Your purpose today includes doing your work with integrity, maintaining balance between ambition and awareness, serving society with compassion, growing spiritually amid responsibilities, living with gratitude and mindfulness. Modern life is not a barrier to purpose. It is the arena where purpose is discovered. Krishna concludes with the highest purpose, union with the divine. This does not mean physical separation from the world. It means inner connection with divine consciousness. When this connection awakens, fear disappears, loneliness fades, meaning becomes clear, peace becomes natural. You realize life is not random. Life is a divine journey of awakening. So what is the purpose of life according to Krishna? It is not success alone. It is not pleasure alone. It is not survival alone. The purpose of life is self-realization, living your Dharma, performing selfless action, practicing detachment, serving with love, awakening divine connection. You are not here by accident. You are here for awakening. You are here for growth. You are here for purpose. And the moment you begin living with awareness, sincerity, and devotion, your life purpose is already unfolding. If this message resonated with you, share this video with someone searching for meaning in life. And remember, you don't find purpose at the end of life. You create purpose through conscious living every day.